Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Quick Guides. Today, we're tackling a straightforward tutorial on how to withdraw your Polkadot tokens from Coinbase to your Phantom wallet in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this process has gotten even smoother, but we'll walk through it step by step to make sure you don't miss a beat. Whether you're building your portfolio or just moving assets around, this guide is perfect for beginners and seasoned users alike. First off, before we dive in, make sure you have a few things ready. A verified Coinbase account with Polkadot tokens, the Phantom Wallet app installed on your device, and your Phantom Wallet address copied and ready to go. Security is key in crypto, so double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Coinbase app or website and log in securely. Head over to your dashboard and locate your Polkadot holdings. It should be under your assets list, easy peasy. Step 2. Click on the Polkadot token and select the Withdraw option. You'll see a form pop up where you need to enter the destination wallet address. Paste your Phantom wallet address here. Remember, Polkadot might require a specific network, so ensure it's set to the correct one for 2025 compatibility. Step 3. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Be mindful of any minimum withdrawal limits and network fees. These can vary based on market conditions in 2025. So keep an eye on the estimates provided. Step 4. Review all the details carefully. This includes the address, amount, and fees. Once you're confident, hit the Confirm button. You'll likely need to approve this via email or two-factor authentication for added security. Step 5. Sit back and wait for the transaction to process. It usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, open your Phantom Wallet app and refresh to see your Polkadot tokens arrive. And there you have it. You're all set. Always remember to keep your wallets secure with strong passwords and hardware options if possible. If you run into any issues, check Coinbase or Phantom support. Thanks for watching, folks. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below. See you in the next one.